Are you tired of hiring applicants who frequently make big mistakes? With our attention to detail test, you can ensure your hires have the precision and focus necessary to excel in critical roles. This test identifies individuals who will seamlessly integrate into your processes, minimizing costly mistakes and maintaining high-quality standards across all tasks. It covers essential abilities like proofreading and editing, data and text verification, following complex written instructions, and identifying inconsistencies. The attention to detail test helps you find applicants who are reliable, thorough, and ready to contribute to operational excellence in office environments. This test is relevant for roles in data entry, customer service, administrative support, finance, and any position where small oversights can lead to big problems. Adding this test to your assessment suite is quick and easy. Let's take a look at a few sample sections and see how we assess a candidate's focus. This mainly tests the candidate's ability to spot grammatical and typographical errors within a block of text, measuring their proofreading speed and accuracy. Now, let's take a look at the applicant's report page after the test is completed. You'll receive a detailed report that breaks down how the applicant performed across key areas such as error type identified, completion rate, and time per task. You'll get full insight into their level of concentration and thoroughness. And that's a quick look at our attention to detail test. It's a comprehensive tool to help you find candidates who are ready to eliminate errors and maintain the quality your business depends on. Visit employtest.com today to check out the Attention to Detail test and others in our comprehensive test library for more details.